Well, hello traders. This is Art Dill for Dill Trading, and a recap of the trades we took for July 5th, 2013, the day after Independence Day, and we had a pretty good day today. I'll go over all of the trades. This was a trade that was taken at 6:50 a.m. Pacific time. This was a trade on the ES. We got long at 16:13.50. And our program exit was 16:17.75. So right out of the gate, a nice 4 1/4 gain here on the ES on Friday. Then we had three losing trades in a row. The next trade we took was at 7:49 a.m. Pacific time. It was a long at 16:17.75. Our stop out program was 16:16.75, so a loss of 1 point. The next trade we took was a long at 16:19.25 and an exit at 16:17.75, so a loss of 1.5 points. And then we had a 1 3/4 point loss. In between there, we had a break-even trade, 16:18.75. That was at 8:51, and exited that at 16:18.75 at break-even. Then the third trade in a row where we had the loss was right here. We got long at 16:20. And that was at 9:18, and out at 16:18.25. That was at 9:21, so not a very long trade, and 1 3/4 point loss. So two losses at break even, and then the third loss here. Then we had a small gain. We got involved in this trade at 16:18.25. And out at 16:17.75 for just a gain of 1/2 point. Our next trade was a short. We got short at 16:17.25. And our exit 16:17.75, so a loss of 1/2 point. One more loss here before we had a nice gain. Here we took a long. Very choppy Friday. Back and forth all day long, kind of. We got long here, 16:17.75. And that was at 10:25 a.m. Pacific time. Our exit was 16:17, so a loss of 3/4 point. And then finally a nice gain, 10:37, right here. We got short at 16:17.25, and our exit was at 16:14. So a nice 3 1/4 point gain on that trade. Tried to take another short here, but the market had just kind of run out of steam, I think, to the downside. We got short at 16:12.50, and that was at 11:15 a.m. Pacific time. Exit 16:12.25. These are all program entries and exits. So plus 1/4. Then finally the market, we thought, had turned around to the long side, and we took a long at 16:14. And that long came at 12:01 a.m. or p.m. then Pacific time. And our exit was 16:13.75. So a loss of 1/4 point. And then final trade of the day, we're back taking shorts right here. 1610.75 was the short, and a nice trade, our exit 1608. So a nice 2 3/4 point gain to end the day. And I put the total of the trades up here for July 5th. And here's a recap of the trades in for July 5th on the S&P. When we went 5, 6, and 1. 11 points of gain, 5 3/4 points of losses. A total net for the trading on July 5th, 5 1/4 S&P points. So really, all in all, a very nice day, even though, as you know, if you tried to trade it back and forth, pretty choppy. Overall, you will see that our win-loss percentage day in and day out as we start to trade more days is going to end up being a little over 60% winning trades. One of the things that you will see, however, is that the average winning trade is going to be considerably more than the average losing trade. So even though our overall winning percentage is not 70 or 80% as some rooms advertise, these are real trades in real time. You can see my trading dome. You can see the entries as I make them on the chart. And so these are real trades with a real trader. And one of the reasons I make money is that I allow my winning trades to play out and run as far as they're going to run, and I cut my losing trades very short. So have a great day. Again, trading for July 5th, 2013 from dilltrading.com. Sign on to our website. There's a area there, a contact sheet. You sign that sheet, I'll get you into the room for a free week, and you can watch our trades in real time. Have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see you on Monday.